Welcome to the introduction to the software development life cycle. After watching this video, you will be able to describe what the software development life cycle is, explain its history, and discuss some key advantages of using it. The software development life cycle, known as the Sdlc, it is a systematic process to develop high-quality software in a predictable time frame and budget. The goal of Sdlc is to produce software that meets a client's business requirement. The Sdlc defines phases of the software development process that encompass their own process and deliverables. It is a cycle of planning, designing, and development that can be implemented as an iterative approach to the software development. Adherence to the Sdlc minimizes risks and cost to the development of high-quality deployable software. The software development lifecycle began to take shape in the mid-1960s as software development began to necessitate a more detailed approach because of its growing complexity. The Sdlc led to more deliberate approach as large corporations needed to manage complex business systems requiring heavy computational resources. In its initial conception, it used what is called the waterfall method to manage projects where the development of software follows a linear pattern through discrete stages. The Sdlc has since been adopted, however, to more iterative method in response to addressing customer need and shifting requirements. Waterfall and other approaches to the software development will be discussed in other lesson. There are some key advantages of businesses in following the Sdlc. The first advantage is that it gives development team a process to follow rather than using an ad hoc approach to improve efficiency and reduce risks. Sdlc. Secondly, there are discrete phases to the Sdlc. Each phase is well defined so that team members know what they should be working on and when. The phases of the Sdlc will be discussed in another video. Because of the well-defined phases, it facilitates communication between the customer and other stakeholders and the development team. Sdlc offers an overview of the process so stakeholders know where they fit into that process. Also, since each phase is discrete, so cross-domain teams know when they have completed their task and when development can move to the next phase. The Sdlc provides room for iteration, where at the end of cycle, the process can circle back to incorporate additional requirements as needed. Problem solving is incorporated early in the cycle, so problems are addressed in a timely fashion and can be addressed in the design phase rather than during coding. Finally, each team member has a well-defined role and reduce conflict and overlapping the responsibilities. In this video, you'll learn that the Sdlc provides a systematic process for software development. Its initial development in the 60s and 70s was driven by the need for a systematic approach because of the growing complexity of the software. Key advantages of the Sdlc include a roadmap to the software development process helping to reduce risks and improve efficiency, increased communication between the team and stakeholders, clearly defined and understood responsibility for each team member, the ability to be used iteratively, allowing for changing requirements,